YouTube. So I know there's no pictures of me whenever I'm making a tutorial about macOS. Eventually I'll set that up. I'll get a camera and everything for it, but my camera doesn't seem to work well with macOS. I'm not sure why. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically hide and display the dock. Alright, so every dock has this little divider. It's built in and it separates the downloads and trash can folder from everything else on the dock. Alright, so click in this little area in between, right click on it, and click on Dock Preferences, and you'll see all these cool little effects. Alright, so you want to click on Automatically Hide and Show the Dock, and there you go. It's that simple. Now it automatically hides and shows every time you move your mouse down there. Alright, I hope you learned something. If you did, like. If you didn't, dislike, comment, and tell me what I can do better. Thank you.